Now next topic 1.6 laws of exponents for real numbers. Real numbers. Now we know that if any number is written in this form, a raised to the power m, a raised to the power m. So here a is base and m is exponent. Suppose that if a raised to the power n, here a is base and n is exponent. Okay, so this is the basic representation of power. A is base and m is exponent. Now the operation between all these one. Let a, m and n are natural number. N a natural numbers. Okay, a and m are natural number. So some operation, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. Here base is a, exponent is m, into base is a, exponent m. Then we know that when base is same, then exponent will add. Okay. Now second, a raised to the power m power n. A raised to the power m power n. Then a raised to the power will multiply, exponent will multiply, a raised to the power m into n, m into n. Now third one, a raised to the power n or a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n. When both base are same and written in this form, then we can write a raised to the power m minus n. Then we can write a raised to the power, then we can write a raised to the power m minus n. Now fourth, a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m. Now here base are different and exponent are same, then we can write a into b raised to the power m. Simple. These basic four operation. Now next is, we know that the power of anything is 0, then result is 1. Result is 1. Now solve some basic questions. First one, try to solve these. 17 raised to the power 2 into 17 raised to the power 5. Second, 5 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 7. Third, 23 raised to the power 10 upon 23 raised to the power 7. Now fourth one, 7 raised to the power 3 into 9 raised to the power 3. How can you solve? Here base are same, base is same, then exponent will add. So base is same, then exponent will add. So 17 power 2 plus 5 is equal to 17 power 7. Solution. Here this one identity, a raised to the power m raised to the power n, then exponent will multiply, 2 into 7. So 5 raised to the power 14. Now here identity, this one, base are same, then 23 raised to the power 10 minus 7 is equal to 23 raised to the power 3. Now next, 7 raised to the power 3 into 9 raised to the power 3. So here base are different, 7 and 9, a is equal to 7, b is equal to 9, base are different, but exponent m is equal to 3. Then 7 into 9 raised to the power 3, then means 63 raised to the power 3. This is basic solution. Now some more questions. Now one more point. Point number 6, you can write 1 upon a raised to the power m. You can write a raised to the power minus m. 1 upon a raised to the power m, then you can write a raised to the power minus m. पॉजिटिव साइन एक्सपोनेंट का क्या हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव ऊपर जाके. नाउ सम मोर क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट 17 into 2, 17 raised to the power 2 and 17 raised to the power minus 5. Second, minus 7. Third, okay. How can you solve this one? Base are same, then exponent will add. 17 power 2 plus minus 5, दोनों exponent क्या हो जाएंगे, add. So you can write 17 raised to the power 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. So exponent is negative, so you can write 1 upon 17 raised to the power 3 positive में. You can write in this form. Now this one, a raised to the power m raised to the power n. So 5 raised to the power 2 into minus 7. So this one is 5 raised to the power minus 14. You can write 1 upon 5 raised to the power 14. Third one, 23 raised to the power minus 10. 23 raised to the power this one. So this power you can write in this manner, 23 raised to the power 7 into 1 upon 23 raised to the power 10. Now you can solve 1 upon, base are same, then exponent will add 23 power 17. This one, 7 raised to the power minus 3, 9 raised to the power minus 3. Then you can write directly 7 into 9 raised to the power minus 3 is equal to 63 raised to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 63 power 3. Simple? Note it down. Now one more thing. What is the value of this one? Root a. You can write root a in this form, power 1 by 2, because in radical sign it represents 2. Now what is the value of this one? Cube root. You can write this 1 upon 3. What is the value of 4? A raised to the power 1 by 4. जो भी वैल्यू होगी वहाँ क्या आ जाएगी, पावर 1 by 4. What is the value of a? A की जगह b here 7. So this value is b raised to the power 1 upon 7. What is the value of this one? ab here m. So this is equal to ab power 1 upon m. Similarly, what is the value of this one? n. So a raised to the power 1 upon n. We can write this in this form. In radical form, this is in exponent form. Okay, so we can write everything in this form. What is the value of this one? Let's suppose that here 3, here 8. What is the value of this one? See, you can write this in this form 1 by 3. लिख सकते हैं. And what is the value of 8? 8 you can write 2 raised to the power 3 power 1 by 3. A raised to the power m raised to the power n. Identity this one. So a raised to the power m into n. So 2 power 3 into 1 by 3. 3 cancel. Answer is 2. So the value of this one is 2. Okay. Now see some more example. What is the value of 4 raised to the power 3 by 2? रिवर्स करते हैं। जैसे ये लिखा है 4 रेज टू द पावर 1/2, यू कैन राइट दिस इन दिस फॉर्म, यू कैन राइट दिस इन दिस फॉर्म, एंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ रूट 4? 2. ओके, सपोज 9 रेज टू द पावर 1/2, you can write this root 9, or root 9 is equal to 3, so 9 raised to the power 1/2 is equal to 3. Similarly here power is 3/2, 4 raised to the power 3/2, so you can write this in this form, 4 power 1/2 into 3. So using this identity, a raised to the power m into n, 4 raised to the power m into n, m is equal to 1/2, n is equal to 3. So you can write 4 raised to the power 1/2 power 3, and 4 raised to the power 1/2 you can write in this form. Okay, so the value of root 4 is equal to 2 power 3, 2 की power 3 is equal to 8, so the value of 4 raised to the power 3/2 is equal to 8. Simple. Next sum, example number 21. Example number 21. Find the value of example number 21, page number 26. Simplify. Number 1. 2 raised to the power 2/3 into 2 raised to the power 1/3. Solve it. Second, 1 3 raised to the power 1/5 whole power 4. Third one, 7 raised to the power 1/5 upon 7 raised to the power 1/3. This one. Now fourth, 13 raised to the power 1/5 into 17 raised to the power 1/5. Solve all this. Now how can you solve? Now first one, using identity, this one, base is 2 and exponent is 2/3 or 1/3. So base 2 power 2/3 plus 1/3, so is equal to 2 LCM 3, 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3/3. Cancel out 2 raised to the power 1, answer is 2. First solve. Now second, a raised to the power m raised to the power n, so this is 3 raised to the power 4 into 1/5 is equal to 3 raised to the power 4/5. Solve. Now this one, a raised to the power n upon m upon a raised to the power n, so this can write be a raised to the power m minus n. So here base a is 7, so you can write directly 7 raised to the power 1/5 minus 1/3. LCM 15 LCM 3 minus 5 is equal to 7 raised to the power minus 2/15, minus 2/15. Next, a raised to the power m, b raised to the power m, power exponent 1/5, a is equal to 13, b is equal to 10. So you can, using this identity, 13 into 17 power 1/5, 13 into 17, 2 to 1 power 1/5 answer. Okay, simple. Note it down. Now exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6. 1.6. Number 1. Find question first. Find number 1, 64 raised to the power 1 by 2. How can you solve? Second, 32 raised to the power 1 by 5. Third, 125 power exponent 1 by 3. See here, you can write in this number first method, you can write this one is root 64. Root 64 is equal to 8. Fella. Second method, you can write 64 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64. 2 raised to the power 6 power 2 raised to the power 6 power 1 by 2. So 2 identity a raised to the power m into this one 1 by 2. 2 3 ja 6. So 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. You can solve this one also in this method also. So 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. Now this one is 32. You can write 2 raised to the power 5 power 1 by 5. 2 raised to the power 5 cancel, power 1, answer 2. Now this one you can write 125 is equal to 5 raised to the power 3 power 1 by 3. 3 cancel out, answer 5. Okay. Next question second. Find first one 9 raised to the power 3 by 2. Second 32 raised to the power 2 upon 5. Third 16 raised to the power 3 by 4. And fourth 125 power 1 by minus 1 by 3. Power minus 1 by 3. How can you solve? You can write 9 3 raised to the power 2 power 3 by 2 is equal to 3 power 2 into 3 by 2. 2 cancel, answer is 3 raised to the power 3 is equal to 27. Next 32 you can write 2 raised to the power 5. 32 you can write and 2 upon 5. So 2 raised to the power 5 into 2 upon 5. 5 cancel. So answer is 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 4. Now simple here. 16 you can write 4 raised to the power 2 because here is 2 raised to the power 4. Power 3 by 4. 4 cancel. 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. Answer. Now this one 125 you can write 5 raised to the power 3 power 1 by 3. 3 cancel. 5 raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 5. Note it down. Simple. Any doubt? You can solve in different manner. You can solve this is questions in this method also. 9 power 1 by 2 power 3. Power 1 by 2 you can write 9 power 3. रूट 9 इज इक्वल टू 3 पावर 3 इज इक्वल टू 27. ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं और ऐसे भी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. सिंप्लीफाई. फर्स्ट वन 2 raised to the power 2 by 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 5. So here base are same, then exponent will add 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Simple. 2 LCM 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10, plus 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3. Simple. 2 raised to the power 13 upon 15 answer. Second, 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3 power 7 in this manner. Which one identities? ये you can use, ये लगा सकते हैं, सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं पहले. 1 raised to the power 7 upon 3 raised to the power 3 power 7. Numerator power 7, denominator power 7. 1 raised to the power 7, 1. 3 raised to the power identity, a raised to the power m into n. So 3 raised to the power 3 into 7. So 1 upon 3 raised to the power 21. Now third one. Third, 11 raised to the power 1 by 2 upon 11 raised to the power 1 by 4 power 1 by 4. See here, base are same, then you can write in this manner 11 raised to the power 1 by 2, this above side 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So 11 raised to the power LCM 2 or 4 LCM 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 minus 1. So 11 raised to the power 1 by 4 answer. Next, fourth part, 7 raised to the power 1 by 2 into 8 raised to the power 1 by 2. Identity, this one, fourth. A is equal to 7, B is equal to 8, and exponent m is equal to 1 by 2. So you can write directly 7 into 8 raised to the power 1 by 2, 56 raised to the power 1 by 2, or you can write in this form also, root 56. Both are right. This chapter is over. Very simple chapter, number system. If you have any doubt, you can ask freely. Okay, bye.